I found this cat who won't stop following me, so I decided to name her Ming Ming. Bro. Oh. This is kind of weird because I haven't seen a cat who won't run away from me. Come here, Ming Ming. Hi, Ming Ming.
What's protector?
Bro, I don't know why. Oh my god, bro. Scared the fuck out of me. But where she is tamed. Bro, sa chicleta. What do you want, bro? I want? Okay. I don't know why this cat won't stop following me, but I think she likes me. Oh, bro. Bro. This cat likes me. Woo. This cat actually likes. Oh my god. Hi, Ming Ming. I don't know. Oh, hello. Oh. Oh my god, bro. Ming Ming. Ming Ming. Ming. Uy. Bakit ba? Ay, iwanan na kita dyan ba? Uy. Bakit ba? Bro. Okay, I'll stay. Oh. Ming. Ming Ming. Bad cat. She really likes me. Oh. Ming. What kind of cat is this? Comment. Oh my god. Oi! Oi!